G'day folks, Ben from Snow today with the Hydro Pax 60 litre bag from Tiegear. This guy is made waterproof and it is made tough so you can strap it on your roof rack, your bike, however you want to transport it. It's going to keep your gear dry and waterproof. Let's check it out today. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the Tiegear Hydro 60 as part of their pack, or Tiegear's Pax range, which are bags and things that they use to transport stuff made tough. Now weighs about 1.25 kilos, measures about 60 centimeters from the seam here to the seam here, but it extends out a little bit further than that. You've got this flexibility here, around about 30 centimeters and around about 25 centimeters up this way. It's made with a really heavy duty 410 GSM PVC. Feels really tough and it's all welded all around here, so it is waterproof. Bit of a tour around it today. You've got a strap over the top. This is removable, so it clips into these buckles here. Now there's two of these buckles at each end, so you could have it sort of onto one side, or you can sort of diagonally cross it if you like. So you've got options there to carry it. Also can be used for tying it down if you like. You've also got a strap over the top, just with a Velcro closure there, and a bit of a padded handle so that you can carry it like a regular duffel bag. Bit of a look around the outside. You've got another buckle at the front here. Not exactly sure what that is for. The best I can maybe come up with is you might be able to use it as a compression strap if you had a strap or something that went here, through here, and then through this side here. Might sort of squash it all down a bit, just not too much fabric flapping around if it's not too full when it's on your roof rack. Velcro patch on the front here so you can personalize it. So if you've got badges or anything that you want to put on it, probably quite valid for the military when they've got patches that they put on and off things. You've got a waterproof zip down here, and that features at the other end here as well. Now this is one long pocket, so if I unzip this, I can put my hand through and it is going to go right through the other side. So you've got a long pocket here, so you can put long things through there if you like, or water resistant zip at the end here. Now they say waterproof. If you submerge it, it's going to leak. It's waterproof in the sense that you can put it out in the rain and it's going to keep things dry. Got a few other attachment points. You've got loops here, so you can put radios, carabiner clips, whatever you like, along this webbing strap here. Same here, nylon webbing strap there. Good to know that's 25mm webbing strap. This is 38mm webbing strap up over the top here. On the back, not much more to see there, and just a durable base. The ends though, you've got these Tiegear grab handles, bit of a classic thing on a lot of Tiegear bags. So you've got a heavy duty 38mm webbing there. All reinforced. These are all cross-tacked into the bag here. Every point is really well tacked into the bag, so there's no shortcuts on the stitching. And then a lightweight aluminium sleeve over the top of that handle there, so it's nice and easy to grab. Feels nice and comfortable to grab. Now closure is through a roll top closure that runs right along the top here. I'm going to show you that on this bag here because it's empty. So when you get it, you'll get the strap here separately, and it's just folded flat like this. Now this top closure here's got magnets in it, so this kind of clips closed, just very, not strong magnets, but just enough to hold it nice and closed and sealed nice and flat along the top there for when you fold it. We'll open it up to show you inside, because there's not a lot in here, but there is another pocket in here. You can see that's a waterproof zip on there as well. So double waterproof elements to whatever you keep in here. So just small accessories that you don't want to lose inside, because it's otherwise just one large pocket inside there. And you can see the quality of the PVC on the inside. It's got a shiny surface on the inside, matte on the outside there. Now when you close this up, you've got these buckles on the end here. So you fill your gear inside. Undo those buckles. I'll just fill it with air at the moment. Put this closed, the magnets make it really easy. It just sits there closed, you don't have to line it up. And then roll this over a few times, and then you find the strap, or clip, at the end here. Tighten, or push this in place, and then just tighten that down. And that then creates this roll top closure to keep it dustproof and waterproof. So on this side, clip that in, pull it closed. When that's full, this then pulls down over the top, a little bit more like what you see here. This could do with a few more rolls. Keeps it nice and waterproof. That is Tiegear's Hydro 60 waterproof bag. If you're looking for a good way to transport your bedding, your gear, your clothes, maybe stuff that you don't want to get too wet, you want to be able to throw it on your roof rack, chuck it in the back of your ute, maybe in your trailer, and know that it's going to put up with a rough and tumble of outback travel, mud, rain, dust, whatever you like. Tiegear Hydro 60 is probably going to suit your purpose. Check them out online at snowies.com.au.